blue sky, and then all of a sudden, boom, they get the southern eye wall. You remember when we went through that night?
Yes.
2008 in Galveston?
And what happens of all the times of these eye walls that we've been through? What happens is that first one, it kind of loosens things up, okay? Then you get that second one, and that's when stuff really starts flying. I saw that in Gene, we saw that in Ike, and so don't let your guard down if you're like, oh, we did well in that one eye wall, because let me tell you, that second eye wall will exacerbate the situation.
I'm going to go fix my mic because I feel like the power's
Okay, you go fix that. You go fix it. I'll continue to be live here. We have not had a ton of debris, with the exception of the roof of this hotel right behind us. Still holding on pretty okay. And we've seen little bits of debris here, but they were prepared. In Panama City Beach, they were prepared for this Category 4. And you know, Floridians, a lot of times they say, oh, it's just a Category 1, maybe Category 2 or 3. They took this one seriously. And so, sorry guys. I'm going to try to get a wind up when these come through for you guys and see what we can get. But can you believe we are not even in the eye wall, and this is the wind that we're getting? Can you imagine what's happening right now in Panama City, over towards Mexico Beach, over towards Port St. Joe? They are going to stay in winds that are exponentially higher than this right now for several hours. They're not going to get any break because they're not going to go through that eye. All right? Wow. Wow, wow. That is a gust over 40 miles an hour. Just to give you an idea also, just a lesson in the wind, a lot of people think that I'm perhaps standing and, you know, 100-mile-an-hour winds. That is not the case. You cannot stand outside and sustain 100-mile-an-hour winds. You just can't. Now, I realize I'm taking, you know, a wind instrument reading on just this little thing. It's not very official. But it just gives you an idea, right, of what we're seeing here. That our winds that are knocking me over and looking like this on screen, where I am, at least at my level with this little wind instrument, are gusting, not even sustained, gusting about 40 miles an hour. So we have seen, I know for a fact at Port St. Joe, we had some University of Florida people put out some wind instruments.